Hello guys, it's Howds34 here for another video. And today, I want to tell you something. Last night, well, kind of last evening, yesterday, I don't know, at 7:30. Around 7:30, we hit 15 subscribers. And, I made myself a plaque right here. The paper plaque. Hopefully you can read that. Oh boy. But it says, congratulations on 15 subscribers. I know I don't have good handwriting, but I'm so happy. Yes, I'm so happy. I am so happy. I am so happy. Yes. I love this little guy. And until I get 100 subscribers, I'll see you then. And until I get 100 subscribers, then I'm gonna make a new plaque. I'm gonna have so many plaques. But yeah. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.